Hallo Leute, guten Tag and welcome to second episode of Learning German with Tejan. In today's episode, we are going to learn a very easy but effective and useful topic which is number and the basic math symbols. So without wasting time, let's quickly start it. Eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There is a trick for counting number after 20. Let's take an example. 23. That means we have to say 23. 24. 24. 67. 76. 5 plus 20. That is 25. 9 und 80. Then 3-digit number 109. 109. 212. 212. 511. 333. 333. 555. 555. 111. 111. Now we will discuss the basic numeric symbols. Plus, minus. This is mal, which is multiplication. Zum Beispiel 2 mal 3 gleich 6. 5 mal 4 gleich 20. Divide is geteilt durch is equal to is gleich. Cube root is cubic Wurzel. Square root is Quadrawurzel. Prosent. Next is how to say first, second, third, etc. Ersten is first. Zweiten. Dritten. Vierten. Sechsten. Siebten. In sieben, en is there. For example, if we say 7, that is sieben. But for seventh is siebten. Zenten is 10th. Zwanzigsten, that is 20th. Vierzigsten is 40. So if you want to say 45th, you will say 5 und 40. 5 und 40, and then you will add extra STAN, stem. 5 und 40. Recall of numbers: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 oder 100. 105, 150, 200, 300, 400, 500, 1000 oder 1000. 1001, 1000, 1100, 1210, 2000, 3000, 10,000, 12,000, 20,000, 100,000, 200,000, Million, 2 Million, eine Milliard, eine Milliard, eine Billion. So the important observation here is sechs, there is a extra s, 7, 11, 10, 12, 16. In 16 there is no extra s, and in 17 there is no en like in 7. Then in 26 oder 36 there will be this, the extra s will be there, again extra en will be there. Then in 70 there is no extra en, and in 60 there is no extra s. Yeah, that is the observation. So now we are done with numbers and the numeric symbols which is used in our day-to-day life. There is one additional observation. Let's see whether you can find it out or not. If you found out the missing observation, let me know in the comment. I hope you found this video very informative and helpful. Share it with someone who may need it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next episode. Thank you.